Hey critters! I'm Dax, and I've got a question for you. Do you ever wonder how bees help flowers grow? Let's find out! Look at all these beautiful flowers! They're not just pretty, they have a secret helper. See that yellow dust? That's called pollen, and flowers need to share it with each other in order to make new seeds. But flowers can't move on their own, so who helps them? Bees! Bees visit flowers for yummy nectar, their favorite snack. When they land, their fuzzy hairs pick up yellow pollen. When they fly to the next flower, they drop some off. That's called pollination. Bees can visit 5,000 flowers in a single day. Without bees, a lot of our favorite foods wouldn't even exist, like apples. And even strawberries. And these ones look delicious. Did you know 1 in 3 bites of food we eat comes from pollinators? Cool, right? And guess what? They always find their way back to the hive. It's like they've got built-in maps in their little antenna. When bees get back to the hive with the nectar, they do a fun dance for all their friends, called the waggle dance. This lets their friends know where the good flower patches are. Show me your best waggle dance, critters.
Buzz, 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 shake that tail. Find those flowers, never fail. Left means near, right means far. Waggle dance, you're a superstar. Do the waggle. Do the waggle. Spin it round and shake it free. Buzz you later, critters!
Wow, bees are quite the wagglers. All that dancing made me hungry. After all that dancing, the bees fly off to find even more nectar. And then once they're back home, the worker bees get going. They pass nectar to each other, just like chefs sharing ingredients. They use their wings to fan the nectar, drying it out until it turns thick and golden. That's when the magic happens. Nectar turns into sweet, sticky honey. No wonder bees love honey. It's nature's best dessert. One cool fact about honey is that some was even found in ancient Egypt. It was over 3,000 years old. So next time you see a bee, remember, they're tiny heroes helping our world grow. Thanks for watching today's episode, critters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventure. Bye! Hey, critters! Go check out our Waggle Dance video on our channel for an encore.